If you are trying to learn how to navigate Edsby, first of all, you log into Edsby. When you get to Edsby, if you look over on the left-hand side, those are your classrooms. So you have your homeroom classroom. Go to your homeroom classroom in order to find the learning tasks for the day. Then if you want to switch classrooms, you come up to the top, click this little down arrow, and you can go to your math classroom. When you go to your math classroom, you can get information about math there. Then if you want to go to your reading classroom, you go to Miss Williams Panda Cubs, and there's the information about your reading for the day. If you want to go to your science classroom, you click on Science, and you'll get the information about the science, whatever it is that you might need for the day on science. That's how you use Edsby. If you want to private message somebody, you click on the little envelope and you can message someone. If you want to see how you're doing on your work, you can go to that class and hit My Work, and that will show. I'm not going to show it to you because this is someone's page. I hope this helps. Bye-bye.